Whether you're just hitting the trails, taking a quick weekend trip, or doing a large backpacking journey, you are going to love this Tomtoc travel backpack. I just got this for my own family's trips, and in this video, I want to show you all of the features. Let's go. Now to start off with, I'm going to start on the back here. It actually has multiple handles. It has a handle right in the back, one on the top that's wonderfully padded, and one on the side. Very easy to grab and go wherever you happen to be. Then underneath this, it actually has really nice padding. It's one of the better padded backpacks I've come across. It's nice, thick padding with breathable fabric, and it has openings between the padding sections. So if it's a really hot day, while these padded parts should be breathable, hopefully you'll get a little more air going through thanks to these open sections as well. Then the shoulder straps are also wonderfully padded, fully adjustable at the bottom, and the chest clip is fully adjustable and goes up and down as well, so you can choose where you want that to be. Now, when you look on the sides, you will see these straps. These can be tightened down, so if you don't have this backpack completely full, you can really tighten it all the way in and make it a smaller pack. When they're fully extended, this can hold 40 liters, so it has a lot of space. Now it has just a few simple zippers, and then we have the big ones. On the top, it has one little zipper point right here. This is kind of your quick access zipper spot. Not huge, but there is a decent amount of space in there. And then it has one more zipper on the absolute front that is just another nice big pocket. And then if you unbuckle these, you can get to a duffel bag style opening. So if I unbuckle these and then unzip this, you get this huge duffel bag interior. I really love this design, and I plan to actually use this backpack for my gym days as well because this is so nice. Thanks to these harder sides on the bottom and the top. The bottom in particular is actually a bit harder. It actually stays open and then just has this wonderfully large opening so you can put all your clothing, whatever you want in it. There aren't any special zippers in here. It's just one large opening to use as you wish. But that's not the only way you can access that large opening. You don't ever have to undo these clips at all. In fact, you can access pretty much everything through the big zippers in the back. If you undo these, the whole backpack opens up wide, and on one side you have two padded sleeves for your electronics that are held down with Velcro, and on the other side you have one nice mesh pocket right here for whatever you need. And then you have an additional access, which I love the red contrast here. There's nothing special about that. It just looks cool. And these open up to that same large opening. So you can always access everything from the back zipper. You never have to do anything with those buckles if you don't want to. And for a bit of security, these zippers are not actually accessible when you're looking at the quick access duffel bag opening. And this entire pocket actually has the option to lock the zippers together. They both have little holes that will overlap, so if you wanted to, you could add a travel padlock to these just to make sure that no one will open up this back pocket on you. And the final pockets are on the sides. You have two decently sized pockets on each side of the backpack. These are a bit skinny in my opinion for most water bottles, and they're a little high, but they would hold a water bottle. I do like that they have elastic at the top, and they do go pretty deep. So really nice all around. I in particular am very impressed with this backpack. Our family is about to go on a backpacking journey, so we have a variety of backpacks in the house right now, and this is the one that I want to go with as I like this design the most. It feels the most comfortable, and I really like the quick access duffel bag style. So if you are looking for a travel backpack, I think you're going to love the Tomtoc 40L travel backpack.